Millions of women have already appreciated the triple effectiveness of E-Collagen 3D Plus that fights wrinkles from 3 different angles: depth, length, and width. Now it is time to introduce E-Collagen Deep Wrinkle, a new treatment that fights even the deepest wrinkles. It was specifically created to target deep wrinkles that can develop already at 35 years of age, especially around key facial expression areas. On the forehead, around eyes, and around nose and mouth. With Oriflame's new E-Collagen Deep Wrinkle, eye and facial treatment, these deep wrinkles can be dramatically reduced. E-Collagen Deep Wrinkle with Tri-Boosting Complex combines 3 key activators that stimulate skin cell renewal, improve skin hydration, and boost collagen production to replump and reduce deep wrinkles from within in just 28 days. Consumers confirm.
I just look and feel years younger.
I saw instant results.
E-Collagen Deep Wrinkle, proven results in deep wrinkle reduction.